With wheel bearing hub units, typically there is not an intermittent noise or problem with the system. If it's making noise, the noise changes due to the speed of the vehicle and also the loads on that certain corner of the vehicle, but they're not intermittent. If you run into a situation where you're dealing with an intermittent problem that goes along with, let's say, when the vehicle is first started and it's making a horrible grinding or bearing noise, well, typically that could be another system. So if a customer comes in complaining of bearing noise, grinding, or other whining during certain events that goes away over time, well, that could be actually a control and actuation problem. A lot of modern pickup trucks that have a four-wheel drive system can engage the hub, the differential, and also the axle itself. So make sure that you're recording their complaint when it happens. Let's say they're having issues during initial startup and they're hearing grinding coming from the front hubs. That could be an issue with the actuator and the solenoid that controls the hub itself and the locking mechanism. So keep this in mind when you're doing that inspection. Yeah, it may not sound like it has any noise at certain times, but it could be an issue with engine vacuum, electrical signals, or even the control module itself. So no problems are intermittent when it comes to mechanical stuff, but when it comes to electrical and vacuum actuation, yes, you can have intermittent problems when it comes to Driveline. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.